Alright, the project we're doing right now is fixing my transmission fault code. So I'm just handing the helping hands to my daddy. We're just wiring up that single wire that blew red. Obviously a red stripe. He's just adding more flux on it.
I'm just gonna get that to a spot where come on, baby.
Alright, we got the wire all soldered and shrink tubed. Now we can just throw some sheathing on it. Alright, so when you're doing some sheathing, you want to like expand this. I'll just like cut another half. Just like that. And then you can just take your electrical tape. Alright, we got the wire protected. Now let's plug her in. Gonna go ahead and zip tie that. Alright, got that wire zip tied to that factory mounting point. Now let's put everything back on. Alright, finally got the car back together. Pretty much gonna end this video on this car repair. I hope I can drive this thing without any issues. Alright, on to the next project.